Boomhouse69 here. Some of you mentioned these in the comment section of my air fry videos I did of the smileys and the chicken nuggets. You were all mentioning, some of you were mentioning these little yummy dinosaur chicken nuggets. Well, that's what Boomhouse is going to air fry up today and see what they taste like from an air fryer. Now it's time to fry up these little tater tots. To all you subscribers, followers, commenters, likers, this crunch is for you. That is definitely good. And my thoughts on these dinosaur chicken nuggets, they just taste like any old standard frozen chicken nugget. Again, this crunch is for you.